Hi, I'm gonna do a pleated lampshade tutorial because so many of y'all wanted that last time. So I've been prepping, but you're just gonna need a lampshade, obviously. This is the fabric I'm using. I just have a bunch of samples. This is actually my fabric. I'm gonna start selling different textiles here soon, so fun little sneak peek for you. But any fabric works. Some kind of fabric cutter or scissors, hot glue gun, an iron, and then this little number, which is called a tape maker. You don't need it. You can do what I did last time, which was take two bobby pins on either side of the iron to hold the shape of the pleat in place. So highly suggest getting this on Amazon instead. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started, finish prepping and cutting some strips, and then we'll start making our pleats and go from there. Okay, so we've got our strips, 2-ish inches by 8 inches, and we've got our tape maker. So you're gonna feed your fabric into the end of the tape maker and just kind of push it until it comes out the other end. Sometimes it's a little finicky. You can kind of grab it with your nail if you need to, but I swear it'll make your life so much easier than the bobby pin hack I was doing. But when it comes out, it stays folded, and so you just run the iron as you pull back. So our little pleats are done, and I'm just taking them and layering them over. I like to glue like one at the top and just kind of go in a row and then go back and do the bottom one. So I'll kind of show you what I mean. So these ones are not connected at the bottom yet, but I'll just take some hot glue up at the top. My next one is gonna be a pink one. You just put it right on there. Hold it down. It doesn't need to be perfect in terms of like the edges on the top because we will have a band going around. So we've made it all the way around, and now I have just one more, and I've kind of just peeled this back. So I'm gonna put the last one just kind of under it so it looks like it's just all around pleated. So now that it's all the way done, I just took a longer strip, and my fabric isn't long enough to go all the way around, but I'm just literally going to like fold, you'll see. But this is the last step. And that's how you make a pleated lampshade.